1. 1957 Nash Metropolitan, $9,200, Murfreesboro, Tennessee. The 1957 Nash Metropolitan is one of the most charming little classics you'll find on the market. This one has been in the same family for many years, and it's still running and driving great. It's powered by its original engine, paired with a 3-speed on-the-column manual transmission, the kind of setup that makes you feel truly connected to the road. The seller just put on brand new tires, so it's ready for weekend drives or even local car shows. The body and paint are in good shape with a classic white finish that really suits this compact cruiser. At $9,200 or best offer, and with no trades accepted, this could be the perfect way to own a piece of vintage motoring history without breaking the bank. 2. 1956 Nash Statesman Super, $7,500, Palmersville, Tennessee. Next up is a 1956 Nash Statesman Super, a car that stands out for its unique styling and mid-century charm. This is a 2-owner vehicle with a body that's described as being in really good condition, no major rust or damage to worry about. The interior, however, could use some love, making it a great project for someone who wants to add their own personal touch. It's showing around 47,000 miles, which is impressively low for a car this age. The seller still has the original back seat and several other parts that will go with the car. Originally bought as a project, it's now looking for a new home because the owner just doesn't have the time to finish it. At $7,500, it's a solid base for restoration, or you could simply get it running and enjoy it as a survivor. 3. 1954 Chevrolet Bel Air, $10,000, Shreveport, Louisiana. If you're looking for a cruiser with a proven road trip record, this 1954 Chevrolet Bel Air might be the one. Under the hood is a small block 350 engine paired with a 350 automatic transmission, and out back you'll find a 10-bolt Camaro rear end, giving this Bel Air a nice blend of classic looks and modern reliability. It's also been upgraded with new power drum brakes and a floor-mounted booster in the original master cylinder location purchased as a direct-fit kit from Pirate Jacks. The seller even drove it from Shreveport, Louisiana to Biloxi, Mississippi for cruising the coast back in 2017, cruising at around 65 miles per hour and averaging 16.5 miles per gallon without a hiccup, other than swapping an electric fuel pump in 20 minutes. Finished in black with Chevy orange accents, it's a fun, attention-grabbing classic that's ready for its next adventure at $10,000. 4. 1968 Triumph TR4A, $10,000, Elmhurst, Illinois. Here's something for the British sports car fans: a 1968 Triumph TR4A. This 2-owner roadster was purchased from its original owner in 2023, and before that, it had been sitting untouched in a garage for nearly 40 years. The TR4A is a beloved model thanks to its elegant styling, lively handling, and open-top driving experience. While the seller's description hints that work has been done to revive it, sitting that long means it likely received plenty of mechanical attention to bring it back to life. At $10,000, it's an appealing opportunity to own a collectible British convertible that you can continue to restore, personalize, and enjoy on sunny days. 5. 1950 Chevrolet Deluxe, $9,000, Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Finally, we have a 1950 Chevrolet Deluxe 4-door sedan, a true post-war American classic. Under the hood is the original 216 cubic inch straight-six engine, paired with a 3-on-the-tree manual transmission. According to the seller, it runs, drives, and stops, which makes it a fantastic candidate for a light restoration project. The body is finished in black and retains that timeless Chevrolet style of the early 50s, with smooth curves and a prominent chrome grille. Located in Milwaukee, this Deluxe could be enjoyed as it is or restored to show condition. At $9,000, it's a very approachable entry point into the world of vintage American sedans.
Number 6. 1969 GMC 1500 regular cab long bed, $5,500, Isanti, Minnesota. For classic truck fans, here's a 1969 GMC C10 long bed fleet side that runs, drives, and stops, though the brakes could use some attention as they're a bit spongy. Under the hood, you've got a reliable 350 engine that starts right up, paired with a TH350 automatic transmission. The truck does have some rust, and the gauges aren't currently working, but all the lights function just fine. The seller recommends trailering at home until the brakes are fully sorted, which is wise advice. For $5,500 or best offer, this could be an excellent entry point into vintage GMC pickups, perfect for restoring or enjoying as a patina-rich shop truck. Number 7. 1979 Chevrolet Corvette L82, $8,500, Florence, Mississippi. Here's a chance to own a true American icon, a 1979 Chevrolet Corvette L82. This one cranks and runs, and the seller has already done quite a bit of important maintenance. The ignition system has been refreshed with new spark plugs, wires, and a distributor. The braking system has been upgraded with new calipers, a master cylinder, and a brake booster. On the cooling side, it's sporting a brand new temperature gauge and water neck. Finished in classic white with a bold red interior, this Corvette offers a lot of style and potential for just $8,500. Whether you're looking to cruise as is or take on a light restoration, it's a great way to get into classic Corvette ownership without spending a fortune. Number 8. 1973 Chevrolet El Camino, $9,500, Euless, Texas. Next, we have a 1973 Chevrolet El Camino, that unique blend of muscle car and pickup truck. This one's powered by a 350 V8 paired with a 350 automatic transmission. It's recently received a new battery, fresh tires, new brakes, and a full tune-up. The bed is Kevlar coated for durability, and the windows are tinted for a sleeker look. It even comes equipped with air conditioning, though it's currently not working. The seller has a clean Texas title, and you can check it out in person at Frank's Speed Shop in Euless. Priced at $9,500, it's a versatile and stylish classic you can drive, enjoy, and even put to light work if you want. Number 9. 1967 Chevrolet C10 long bed, $9,500, Centralia, Missouri. This 1967 Chevrolet C10 is a one-owner truck with a ton of charm and just the right amount of patina. Under the hood is a 283 V8 paired with a 3-speed on-the-column manual transmission. It's been tastefully upgraded with a 3/5-inch lowering kit, new springs and shocks, and all new brake components. Other updates include fresh wheel studs, lug nuts, carrier bearing, wheel bearings, a factory tachometer, and working gauges. It rides on new tires with 6-lug spider cap rally wheels and breathes through new dual exhaust. The ignition, water pump, and radiator have all been replaced, and the heads are from a mid-80s Monte Carlo SS. The interior features a nice seat, and the truck comes with side trim, a new heater blower motor, and a glove box insert. Priced at $9,500 or best offer, this is a well-loved, well-maintained C10 that's ready to turn heads wherever it goes. Number 10. 1952 Ford, $1,125, Eustis, Texas. Rounding out the list, we have a 1952 Ford Project, a true blank canvas for hot rod or rat rod enthusiasts. It's in poor condition and will need a full build, but the seller notes that the rust isn't too bad for its age. There's no engine, no transmission, and no title. But at just $1,125, it could be the start of a budget-friendly build for someone with the skills and vision to bring it back to life. Whether you see it as a vintage restoration, a wild custom, or a raw rat rod, it's an affordable way to get your hands on a piece of early 50s steel.